Well, that time of the day where we take it to and switch it to corporate conversations. We have with us Mr. Ramesh Kunikanan, Executive Vice Chairman, Kaynes Technology, joining us this morning. Mr. Kunikanan, great having you. At the backdrop of your new semiconductor facility, give us a sense. You've launched phase one, the balance capex, and you've done around 1,800 crore of capex. Another 1,500 crore likely for phase two. Correct me if I'm wrong there in terms of understanding, but give us the timing of the phase two launch.
Our phase one will do all the legacy products and the power products what India needs. Our phase two will be on advanced packaging. So we would like to reserve that money for our advanced packaging, and this will start installation commissioning somewhere early 2027, first quarter, second quarter, and then it will be commissioned by 28, first quarter, second quarter. So this is basically, we want to get into the next era of the advanced packaging, where India starts with the latest high-speed data transmission and semiconductor around that space. The first phase, what we have inaugurated now, will have investments for the next 1 year for enhancing capacity, for building up capability, including the space semiconductor packaging. This is the plan Kaynes is having.
Right. And 60 lakh chips is the capacity for both phases. How is it that you ramp up, and how much capacity can we actually see built in FY27?
We are able to do around, with the current capacity, we are able to do around 15 million every month. But it will take some time before we ramp up and reach that space. However, capacity building also depends on the type of power devices which we do. So since we are a contract manufacturing and we will be doing for many companies, we easily can take our company's turnover to around 1,200 crores with our phase one itself. This is the plan we are having in place. And we have, for this, signed up with 3 to 4 customers already.
Okay, and Mr. Kunikanan, talk to us about the order book on the semiconductor side of things. You have customers. What's the customer interest looking like? Are there new customers coming on board?
We have not reached a position where we can start talking about our order book. Many chipsets, we are in trial basis. Many chipsets, we are in the advanced engineering space. If all this comes, the coming year, we can do around 400 to 500 crores. So there is nothing called order book. We can keep projecting it, but that doesn't mean anything, because unless we get qualification and things like that, which we are very confident of doing it. So it will take a year's time before we can start talking about order book and other things. But we are in a very good position as far as Kaynes Semicon is concerned, because 3 to 4 customers and one customer having around 15 to 20 different products lined up is something which is really gives us very happy moment, because we are able to produce this and stabilize that itself will build a market for us consistently.
Right. So what's the FY27 ballpark revenue that you're looking at, and possibly the potential in FY28 as well for revenues?
See, market is completely in a different position today, so I don't want to fix a number, but I'm very, very confident that we will be growing at a rate of around 30+%. around the whole market position. So today I don't want to give you a guidance number, but there is a, irrespective of the market position, there is a lot of new models which we have given engineering samples and we have got approval for the years to come in. So we are clearly able to see a 30% growth in our overall consolidated numbers.
And Mr. Kunikanan, earlier, turning cash flow positive was seen as a key milestone for you. What's the current scenario? Are you on track for positive cash flow by H1 FY27? And what does this semiconductor foray do with regard to cash flow? Give us a sense.
See, 127, for sure, we will be cash flow positive. Standalone, we are already cash flow positive. Since many of our companies are under various stage of implementation, that is where we are having challenges. However, if you see standalone, we are cash positive and we are in standalone also able to generate cash. And the years to come in, we will see H1 itself having overall group also cash positive. If you see both the companies, our circuits as well as our semicon is just starting production in this quarter.
Right. And are you seeing some potential benefits from defense and aerospace demand because of the geopolitical tensions and also raw material supply? Is that a problem or a challenge at all?
See, while there is a disruption in raw material supply and there is costing going up on petrochemical products like plastic and other things, I find this is an opportunity for contract manufacturing companies like us, where we are in aerospace, defense, and we are also in the outer space market. I am seeing a lot of potential. We are also seeing companies coming for partnership. So we have signed partnership with various companies so that we all together can ramp up the production. So I want to look at it from a positive point of view rather than the disruptions what we are facing today. Last quarter towards the end, lot of raw materials, including memory, we have challenges to get it. But the days to come in, this challenge will continue. But however, we should look at the opportunity as a plus point, is what our company's outlook will be.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Kunikanan, for coming in and speaking with us. We'll let you go on that note. That's the management.